rise for a prayer? Amen. Please be seated. Good morning, trainees. Welcome to Sabales State University, Ilagan Campus. By the way, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rodeline Roldan. I am your accredited trainer for dressmaking NC2. Okay, so before we proceed, I would like you to fill up our attendance sheet. This will be my reference in checking your names to my list of trainees. Okay, so pass the attendance sheet. And also, please, you can also fill up this self-assessment checklist. This will serve as guide in determining your training needs and data characteristic for me to be able to know the method that I should use. Okay, so this is the self-assessment check. Please pass. And also the gathering instrument tools. Okay, so are you done? Thank you. Okay, so by the way, thank you for choosing ISU Ilagan as your training. Thank you for choosing ISU Ilagan as your training grounds for dressmaking NC2. And I assure you to provide the quality instruction, and that will help you to develop the competencies needed for these qualifications. Okay, so the key institution administered by TESDA, and we practice the CVT as our mode of instruction. So our institution is also equipped by your training needs, training room, training tools that you need, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so all you have to do is to be confident to perform the different tasks, be competent, and finish the training course. Okay? Okay, so let's proceed to CBT. Okay, class, so does anyone here know the CBT or competency-based training? Okay, so the training delivery, CBT, the training delivery approach focuses on the competency development of the learner as a result of the training. So it points out that the focus is on you, the learner, and or the trainer, on what you can do actually do. So we will focus on the outcomes rather than the process, and it's you, the learner centered. Okay? So do you have any questions? Okay, so let's proceed to the 10 principles of CBT. So to give you further understanding about the principle of CBT, we have 10. The number 1, the training is based on the curriculum development from the competency standard. So that means the training is based on the training regulations competency based curriculum, which is crafted from the industry need. Okay, so number 2, learning is modular in structure. So you need to finish all the requirements in a competency before you can select or go to other competency to learn. So trainees should learn one competency after another until they attain all competencies of the qualifications. Okay? So, number 3, the training delivery is individualized and self-paced. Number 4, training is based on work that must be performed. Number 5, so training materials are directly related to the competency standards and the curriculum. Number 6, assessment of learners is based in the collection of the performance on industry or organizational required standards. And number 7, training is based in off and on of the jobs components and of the job components. Okay, number 8, the system allows recognition of prior learning or RPL. Number 9, the systems allows for learner to center and exit program at different times and the levels to the receive and award for competencies attained at any point. Okay, and the last is approved training program are nationally accredited by OPTRAS. So training programs are registered within OPTRAS. So we have the training regulations. So the training regulations, this must be certified of program registration or CORP or PR I should say, is nationally recognized. And the number 2 is training programs are registered within Unified Tibet program registration and accreditation after you pass the national assessment. So you can use your certification in applying a job, or you can become a sewer or also a dressmaker. Okay, so do you have any questions? None. Okay, very good. So,
Three, go.
okay, so do you have any questions?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so we will now proceed to the CBT process law. So it shows how the trainees enter and exit of the program. So first, okay, so the trainee will enter the program, which is you. So I had recognized prior learning through your self-assessment check and pre-test. So we are also having our orientation now. So the role of a trainer is to guide, facilitate, and also the same So I'm the one to assist you in the different tasks. Okay, so the role of your trainee are responsible for your learning techniques and style. So you should be responsible to perform the task, okay? The second, the trainee select competency and receive instruction from me. And then, so if you are given the first competency, what will you do? Yes, you will review learning package. Okay, as you can see in the as you can see. Okay, so next, in its competency, there is a task given, so you should perform it. And also, I will observe your performance as well. So, and of course, rate it. And as you see, trainees can also rate, observe, and rate performance. And if you think you are capable, that's the time you will approach me, okay? So, next, and if you have satisfactory perform the competency, and competency will be done with all the competencies under the first 4 competencies. So you can go to the next competency. Since we have 4, so you should complete the 4 competencies, okay? And next, if you finish the 4 competencies, that would be your ticket to apply on the national assessment and have the chance to get the national certificate, okay? So you can go and exit the program. So do you have any question?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so what if you are not what if you are incompetent? Example, you're not done with the first competency. So you need to go back and review your learning package, as you can see here. Okay? So do you have any questions?
None, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now we are going okay, now we are going to the introduction of dressmaking NC2 qualification taking 240 hours. Okay, so dressmaking NC2 has 3 competencies. We have 4 basic competencies, 4 common competencies, and 4 core competencies. Okay, so we have 4 units of competencies also in core competencies. First, draft and cut pattern for casual apparel. Second, prepare and cut materials of casual apparel. Third, sew casual apparel. And fourth, apply finishing touches on casual apparel. Okay? Let's go to the most important part of CBLM, the instruction sheet. So, first, all the things you need to know is provided with the learning materials. So, what is the learning materials? This is the CBLM. With this, you are required to read the instruction on how to use the learning materials. Okay? So, of course, CBLM, read the information sheets, answer the self-check where you are provided with your answer key also to evaluate yourself. So, to evaluate yourself and do the task sheet and also the job sheet. Okay, so after that, the performance criteria checklist. So, the performance criteria checklist will be used to rate so will be used to rate your task, operational sheet, and job sheet. Okay, so do you have any questions with the CVLM?
None, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Very good.
Once again, now proceed to.
Okay, so let's proceed to the monitoring tools. Let's proceed to the monitoring tools. Where's the monitoring tools? Okay, so the achievement chart. There are four monitoring tools two monitoring tools. These are the achievement chart and progress chart. And also training activity matrix and trainees record book. Okay, so we have here the progress chart and achievement chart. This is the progress chart and this is the achievement chart. So what is the difference between the two? Okay, they look the same. So the difference is whatever you achieve particularly in learning activity to achieve learning outcome, I will put check in your achievement chart. Okay? So, I will use the competency-based training to deliver the different competencies because it's no longer a traditional approach. Wherein, so that means in your daily activities, however, if you have accomplished learning outcome for the particular unit of competency, I will check here in your progress chart. Okay? Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's the difference between the progress chart and achievement chart. So, do you have any questions?
None, ma'am.
Okay, now let's go to the evaluation tools. For me to assess your progress through the trainers, you will have the tools. So, we have the written test and also the performance test. Okay, so do you have any questions?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so since you don't have a clarification, you can now have 5 minutes break. You're done with the break. Now you will have the pre-test. Okay? I will give you the pre-test. Okay, so I will give you 45 minutes to answer. Okay, you're done. Thank you. Are you done? Okay, thank you. So, please get your notebook and ball pens and I will take you to the different parts of our work shop or our tool. Let's proceed to Okay, so let's proceed to the trainees resource area. So, where this area where I stay and prepare for your module and of course the written exam, etc. Okay, so next, contextual learning area. So, if you want to refresh to your science, math, and English, you can go in the learning or contextual learning area. Next, we have here the learning resource area. So, when the CVLM is being done. And of course, the computer laboratory area. So, where you can search and watch video and also about search or watch video about your unit of competency. Okay, next, let's go to the distance learning area. So, distance learning area where you can send through email. Example, when I'm in meeting or seminar, you can send me through email about your UC. Okay, so or you can also have meeting through Google Meet, something like that. Okay, so next, let's proceed to quality control area. This is the quality control area where this place we need to check the quality of our product. And also support service area. This area provide value adding competencies as we have so some materials needed to the area. Okay. Next. And of course we have here the institutional assessment area where the institution where this. Okay, so let's proceed to institutional assessment area. Okay, so this area where the institutional competency evaluation being done, so it is located very proximate to the practical work area, of course. And the last is practical work area. So where you perform the task. So we have the 4 stations. Okay, the practical work area, we have 4 stations. We have draft and cut. In the second station, prepare and cut materials. Third station, sew. And fourth workstation is apply finishing touches. Okay? Do you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today. Please be seated. Okay, so that's all for today. We will continue this tomorrow. Goodbye, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you.
Go.
Okay, please rise for a prayer. Amen. Please be seated. Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so I have here your attendance sheet. Please fill out. Thank you. Okay, so yesterday I gave you the self-assessment sheet and free test. And according to the questionnaire, it seems that Ivana has a relevant experience. That's very good. So Anna Marie, okay, so that's why you have this training so that you will have the experience in dressmaking. So okay, so I will now assign you to the respective areas. Miss Anna Marie, please read the CBLM. Miss Anna Marie, please read the CBLM. Read the information sheet and answer the self-check. Compare your answer in the answer key and read the task sheet, job sheet, and answer your self-assessment check. Okay? So Miss Ivana, please come to just follow me. Okay, we will go now to the practical work area. So I will now, Miss Anna Marie. Okay, so Miss Anna Marie, Miss Ivana, I should say, given the tools and materials needed, and also the measurements, you just follow the procedure, okay? You may now draft the basic sleeve pattern. Okay, you're done. Okay, so you're done. Okay, I have here some questions. What are the methods of pattern making? Okay, so how do you define pattern making? What do you understand by basic block pattern? And what are the skills required to have in order to work in a garments factory as a fabric and apparel pattern maker? Okay, so I will give you 30 minutes to answer the written exam. Are you done? Okay, thank you. Okay, Miss Ivana, based on your demonstration, interview, and written exam, you did a great job, but I noticed you did not put the pin in a pin cushion. So after using it, so next time, don't forget, okay? So thank you, congratulations for performing great. You can now proceed to the last LO. Okay. Okay, so please read the CBLM. If you have any questions, just ask me, okay? Now I will put your can I have my own button? I will now put your name in the progress sheet and in the achievement chart. And also you are in the last LO, right? Okay. Oh, how are you? Please read the CBLM. How are you, Anna Marie? Are you ready now to demonstrate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to the practical work area. Okay, so before you proceed to your demo, I will show you again on how to draft. Okay, just listen and also observe. All you have to do.
Go.
Okay, so I will now show you on how to draft. So first, hold the Manila paper at the left corner. Measure 2 inches upward and 2 inches from the left. Okay. Now, make a horizontal and vertical line using a square. Okay. Okay, so from A to B, measure 3 inches. And also from A to C, measure 8 inches. And now connect A to make a horizontal line from B and C. Next, we will now measure. Next is connect the A to B and B to. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may now demo. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here's your written exam. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, based on my observation, you did well, but you forget. Based on my observation about your performance, you did well, but you forgot to add the standard measurement. So overall, you did well. So congratulations. You can go to your next competency. So may I have your TBR and the CBLM? What's your TBR? Okay, this is your TBR. Okay, so this is your CBLM for the last LO. I will now put here your name in the progress chart and also the achievement chart. Okay, so Miss Ivana, how are you? Are you now ready for the demonstration?
Yes,
Okay, let's go to the practical work area. Okay, so are you done? Okay, so I have are you done, Miss Ivana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have a follow-up question. What will you do when you Okay, so what will you do if you forgot to add the um, standard measurement? Okay, so next. Very good. So, I have here your written exam. Please answer. Are you done? Okay, thank you. So, I will now check first. Okay, so Miss Ivana, out of you got 29 out of 30 on your written exam, and based on your and my observation, you did well. Congratulations, you completed all the LO. Congrats. So I will give you now the post test. Okay, this is the post test. Please answer. I will give you 1 hour. Okay, I will now put your name in the last LO. Progress chart and achievement chart. So this is your last LO. Okay. How are you? Okay, let's go. Are you now ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any question with your CBLM?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so let's go to the practical work area. Did you understand what you are reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please perform. Okay, so are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, here's... Okay, so... according to your performance, your written exam, and your interview, you did a great job. Okay, so next time, don't forget to to add again the even 1 inches. See? So I have here a follow-up questions. If you don't have L square, what materials you should use? What?
Ruler, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Okay, so let's go. So I will now put your name. Congratulations for you did a great job, and also you may know. Can I have your TBR, please, and Civil M? Your TBR. Okay, very good. Okay, so I will now put your name in the progress chart for your last and achievement chart for your last LO, and also to the training activity matrix. Okay, congratulations, trainees. So, please answer the post test. Are you done, Miss
Yes,
Ivana?
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Please, okay, so since you have completed the competencies, you are now ready to take the national assessment. So kindly secure your form to the processing officer, Sir Gumpal, so we cannot consider you as a graduate without the assessment. So don't forget to bring your trainee, your IDs, and of course your form. Okay, congratulations, you did a great job. How about you, please? Okay, so thank you. You are now also ready. Congrats for your assessments, national assessments. Galingan nyo, and of course, don't forget to bring your ID, and of course your form also, and Since you have also completed the competencies, you are now ready to take the national assessment. So kindly secure your form to the processing officer, Sir Gumpal. Okay, so we cannot consider you as a graduate without the assessments. Your assessments, okay, will be your ticket in applying as a dressmaker, sewer, or you can be manager, of course. Okay, so congratulations. Good luck. Your teacher says, thank you, class. Good luck, trainees. We will now raise for our prayer. Amen. Congratulations again. Okay, that's all.